Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect to Ford Fusion Bluetooth. First, make sure your Ford Fusion is safely parked and running. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth feature. Then, locate and press the phone button on your car's dashboard. From the menu that appears, simply select the option to add Bluetooth device to begin the pairing process. It's a straightforward start to getting connected. Now that you've initiated the process, confirm that Find Sync is visible on your car's display. On your phone, open your Bluetooth settings and search for available devices. You should see Sync appear. Once found, select it. Your car's screen will then show a 6-digit PIN. Carefully enter this exact code into your phone. Finally, confirm the pairing on both your phone and the car's display to complete the connection. Sometimes, connections can be a bit stubborn. If you encounter issues, try restarting both your phone and your Ford Fusion's infotainment system. If that doesn't work, go into your phone's Bluetooth settings and delete any existing sync connections. Also, remove your phone from the car's sync device list. As a last resort, you can perform a sync master reset through the system settings, which often resolves persistent problems. To get the most out of your Ford Fusion's Bluetooth, consider setting your most used phone as the primary device for automatic connection. Regularly check for and install software updates for both your phone and the sync system to ensure optimal performance. Remember to adjust your media settings to stream audio via Bluetooth for all your music and podcast needs. Finally, take advantage of voice commands for truly hands-free calling and media control, enhancing your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.